gusto ko, bago ang lahat, bago ko siya tawagin, gusto ko, sabay-sabay natin na hanapin si Bea. Makikita natin nasan si Bea. Okay ba yun? Bilang ko nang gusto ko, sabay-sabay tayo, okay? Nasan si Bea, ha? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
There's nothing to fear. Oh, I know.
Fans dito, ano bang gusto niyong sabihin?
And of course, una-una maraming salamat po sa hindi na tanggap po sa amin. And also, thank you po, Sir Mayor Javi Benitez. Thank you so much po for inviting us po. Thank you so much po. And
maraming salamat po, Mayor, sa pag-invite po sa amin dito sa inyong lugar. At maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. Thank you po. Mag-iingat po kayong pauwi, ha?
Nagpuyat talaga sila para sa inyo. Oo, nag-stay talaga. Dahil dyan, mag-picture muna tayo with them. Picture. may mga gift.
Grabe naman, ang dami-dami pa.
Pero guys, after natin, hindi pa tapos kasi meron pa tayong mag-DJ, magpa-party-party pa tayo. Kaya maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Okay, ngayon, hindi pa tayo tapos kasi meron pa tayong party-party. Mayor Happy, maraming. Palakpakan naman natin si Mayor Happy!
Ganda. Sobra yan. Ada yung bagay pula.
Thank you, all artists and your dancers, singers.
You'll never truly realize
Kulang kayo. Wala sa taas, wait lang kayo dyan ha. Agasak.
holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out.
Ano mo sinasama eh?
There's nothing to fear. Oh, I know you'll find someone who hears you. Oh, I know you'll find someone who helps you through the day. It'll soon be clear when you find someone who hears you. Find someone who loves the things you say. Oh,